Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of the wealthy and exploring 15 unique investment strategies they use to build and grow their fortunes. These might be things you've never even heard of, but trust me, they're fascinating and can open your eyes to new possibilities for your own financial future. From rare collectibles to glamorous rooftop real estate, yes, you read that right. We're going to break down each strategy in simple terms so you can understand how they work and whether they might be a good fit for you. So buckle up, hit subscribe, and get ready to learn something new. Number 1. Whiskey and wine. Instead of buying them for immediate consumption, the rich buy them young and hold on to them for years, as their value appreciates significantly over time. This can yield returns of 10 to 15% annually for whiskey and 10 to 11% for investment-grade wines. Number 2. Collectibles. Rare items like books, toys, and sports memorabilia can be valuable investments. The T206 Honus Wagner baseball card is considered one of the most valuable and rare baseball cards in the world, fetching millions of dollars at auction. While some markets are volatile, others, like luxury watches, have shown consistent growth. Number 3. Luxury watches and purses. These high-demand, limited-supply items appreciate in value. Unlike buying from stores, the wealthy build relationships with brands and get on waiting lists to purchase exclusive models, sometimes even selling them for a profit immediately. Owning a Patek Philippe Nautilus, for example, can bring returns exceeding $100,000. Number 4. Private banking. Forget minimal interest rates. Unlike traditional banks that offer minimal interest, private banks cater to high-net-worth individuals. These elite institutions provide personalized services and significantly higher returns on deposited cash, ranging from 7% to 13% annually. Number 5. Art. Fine art is a popular investment among the wealthy, offering returns that can outperform traditional markets. Platforms like Masterworks allow individuals to invest in fractions of artworks, making it more accessible than buying entire pieces. Number 6. Hotel rooms. Owning hotel rooms allows you to use them personally while the hotel rents them out when you're not there, generating shared profits. This can be a good investment, especially for luxury rooms or those located in desirable locations. Number 7. Rooftop rights. As drone deliveries become more prevalent, rooftops will be valuable for landing space. Some investors are buying rooftop rights, allowing them to profit by installing solar panels or leasing the space for drone deliveries. Number 8. Mineral and water rights. Owning rights to resources like spring water can be lucrative. You can bottle and sell the water commercially, following the example of entrepreneurs who built successful water brands like Dorna and Aqua Carpatica. Number 9. Buying other people's debt. Debt can be bought and sold on the secondary market for a fraction of its original value. Collection agencies often sell bundled debt at a discount, allowing you to potentially collect the debt and keep the difference as profit. Investing in purchasing debt, such as bonds, can provide regular income through interest payments and the potential for capital preservation, making it an attractive option for those seeking lower-risk investments. Number 10. Coaching and counsel. The wealthy leverage the expertise of mentors and coaches to accelerate their progress. While traditionally expensive, some platforms offer affordable access to mentorship from successful individuals. Number 11. Private equity and early-stage startups. Instead of starting a business from scratch, you can invest in existing businesses or startups. Private equity involves buying a controlling stake in a company, while early-stage startups offer the potential for high returns if the company succeeds. Number 12. Emerging markets. Investing in real estate or other assets in countries with developing economies can be profitable as their economies and property values grow. Targeting countries bordering established emerging markets can offer good opportunities while being less volatile. Some examples of such countries include Brazil, a large and diverse economy with significant natural resources and a growing technology sector, and India, known for its services sector and information technology industry, with a rapidly growing economy and a large young population. Number 13. Square footage for real estate developments. Developers sometimes offer private investors the chance to buy square footage in new buildings at a discounted cost before construction. This allows investors to profit significantly when the development is completed and the units are sold. Number 14. Hedge funds. These high minimum investment institutions aim to outperform the market through various strategies. While they can offer substantial returns, they also carry a higher risk compared to traditional investments. Investing in hedge funds can offer diversification and potential for higher returns through access to a wide range of strategies and asset classes not typically available in traditional investments. Number 15. Marrying rich. While often portrayed in fiction, marrying someone wealthy is statistically more likely for the already affluent due to factors like shared social circles and similar lifestyles. However, focusing on personal growth and building your own wealth is likely a more sustainable approach than relying solely on marriage. Bonus: network commission. Building strong connections and a good reputation can be highly valuable. Brokers and individuals who connect investors with suitable deals can earn substantial fees, demonstrating the power of networking in the financial world. All right, everyone, that wraps up our journey into the investment secrets of the rich. Remember, these are just some examples, and it's crucial to do your own research and consider your individual circumstances before making any investment decisions. But hopefully, this video has sparked your curiosity and provided some valuable insights to help you navigate the world of finance with more confidence. Don't forget to leave a comment below and let us know which investment strategy you found most interesting. And if you have any questions, hit us up. Until next time, stay curious, stay informed, and remember, you have the power to build your own financial success story.